Hi everyone, welcome to this Android app development course. In this course, we'll start from a very beginner level and go all the way to pro level, building real projects step by step. Before we begin, I really appreciate your support. It encourages me to create more useful content for you. In today's video, we'll learn the basics of creating a layout using linear layout, and we will add a button and handle its click using Kotlin in mainActivity.kt. MainActivity.kt is the main screen where we write our app's logic using Kotlin. It connects to the layout file and handles user actions like button clicks. First, we create layout file, like we create in previous project. Right-click on Resource, expand New and select Android Resource Directory. Select Layout from Resource Type. Click OK. Now right-click on this layout folder, expand New and then expand XML. Click on Layout XML file. Name this like Activity Main. Leave Linear Layout as it is, and click Finish. Linear layout is one of the most commonly used layouts in Android. It arranges its child elements either vertically or horizontally, depending on what we set in the orientation property. You can see your XML code file by clicking on this split icon at the top right. Update your activity main.xml file with the following code. This means that the layout will take the full width and height of the screen. Set Android orientation vertical. By this, all child elements will be arranged one below the other. Let's make a button now. Set wrap content. Set Android text and write a button name on it. We give the button an ID, so we can easily access and control it from our Kotlin code in mainActivity.kt. Move your cursor to text. Click on Extract String Resource. Click OK. We must close the button tag. We use Android. Gravity equals center to align the content like text or button to the center inside the layout. Let's change the size and make the text style bold to make it look clear. Now that our layout is ready, we can start working in the Kotlin file activity main.kt to add the logic. These lines are not necessary now, so we'll just clean them up. Clean up the Kotlin file by removing these extra lines. We'll keep only the important ones like set content view, because that connects our layout to the code. Just remember, whatever your XML file is named, write that exact name here after our .layout. It is used to find our button using its ID. Set on click listener is used to perform an action when the button is clicked. And inside that, we are simply showing a toast message that says, button clicked. If you get an error on toast, that means it's not imported yet. Android Studio doesn't auto-import it sometimes, so we just add import Android widget toast manually at the top. Let's solve this. Alright, finally just connect your mobile phone, run the app from Android Studio, and check the live preview on your phone. And that's it for today's video. We learned how to use linear layout, add a button in XML, and handle a click event in Kotlin. That's it for today. In the next video, we'll take this button and link it to a second screen where we'll build a basic calculator that adds two numbers. So make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next part.